There's a seagull up there, it's enjoying the sand. It is on the sand sandy sand. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm recording this after what you're about to see, and I got a snake. Snake transition.
Just watch where you're walking, watch over, because we're going to the hospital today. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, Alec, people are waiting.
Going up. Walking. I need to get more food. Look at all these tables and chairs and outside. I think that's the worst. And names on the doors. Connor's getting a new badge today. Not his birthday. It's just I don't want the badge. We do. There's a butterfly. Butterfly. Oh no, not butterfly. Morph. Looks like a butterfly. Ah, that's big. That's a big moth. Look at that. There's a very big moth over here. There's a very big moth. Very big. Very big moth.
Can you see him in?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Right, snack time, Alec.
Oh, food. Food.
Yeah, food.
I've got a penguin. Why can't penguins fly? Because they are chocolate biscuits. Penguins can't fly because they're chocolate biscuits, because this is called a penguin and it's a chocolate biscuit. Look at this moth. It's very loud as well. Listen to it. Did you hear that? Loud moth. Got my penguin that can't fly. Opening it. Yeah. Want to see out there? Look at that. What is this? It looks so familiar. Oh, I know why. It's the same thing with that one. But it's a bit different. That's good. Look at that. Look at that. Socks only on the carpet. Let's go and look at animals. Yeah. Look, there's a bird in there.
What kind of bird is it? Let's read. I'll read it to you.
Oh, there's another one. Oh, I think that's a peacock.
Well, yeah, a small one. It's quite small.
I'm gonna put my hand in. Ah!
Alec has no fingers yet.
No, it bit my hand off.
Oh no.
It didn't ring. There's more over here. No birds. What are these?
Oh, here we go.
Oh, there's some yellow ones and some black and white ones.
Oh, look out for weavers, the yellow ones making a nest. Look, that little yellow one's in his nest. They're village weavers.
What are those black and white ones?
Oh, those ones are avocets.
Oh.
And-
Oh, look, there's a yellow one.
And they were, the other ones that bit your hand off were Palawan peacock pheasants. And that was a male one, the colourful one, and the first one we saw was a female.
Ah, the one in the tree. Oh, there's a river. Where is everyone?
Oh, well, we're just doing our own thing, Alex. We don't need to follow them.
But where did they all go?
There's Mr. Clark and Ryan.
Oh, let's go to them.
Let's go to them. Oh, is it?
Otters.
Otter spotters, important. Do not. Oh, no hands or feet over the wall. Oh, where are they?
Time to climb over.
Time to not climb over there.
Let's go over here.
Well, maybe they're having a holiday somewhere.
Where are they?
I don't know.
Let's go.
Right, let's go. But not
Um,
that way.
oh.
We're going to there, but the other way.
Oh, there's something walking on the top of there.
Oh yeah, I think that's a magpie.
Did it escape? I don't think it escaped.
I think it's a magpie.
I think it just came from somewhere else in the world. And it just came to where all the other birds are. What's that sound?
Those ones over there, look.
Oh, they have orange beaks, black feathers, and what are they? What are they?
They are red-billed choughs.
I want to touch one. Time to put my hand in. Ah! It bit me! They look like they would bite.
Yeah.
They sound like they would bite.
Look at that shot. Look how short their beaks are.
They keep flying around. They won't stop moving.
You go stand around the corner. I'm about to feed them, so they're going to come and stand over there. Oh wow, go over there, Alex. Should be able to get a picture. If you go around, so where the water zone is.
Oh,
These are girls.
got a picture of one sitting over there.
Oh, look, look, look.
Oh. Why won't they stop moving?
Because they're excited. Oh, wow, look.
Oh. Whoa. Ooh, they're eating.
Lorikeets.
Oh. They're green and blue and red and lots of colours.
There are 19
I can-
different kinds of these rainbow
I
lorikeets.
can only record for 4 more minutes.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh. I don't have
But you'll just have lots of videos. You can just do another video.
Uh-huh.
Well, you get down.
But
Parrots, terrace. Oh, there's everything in there.
let's speed through this.
Okay, speed through there.
Speed. Speeding.
Oh, no, there,
Oh, no. And those things.
They're parakeets still. Oh, parakeets. Lorikeets.
Ah.
Tree.
Ow, that hurt my ears. Oh, look. This one is called
Oh,
a
they're up
tree.
there. No, they're up there. They're on their house. They're cuddling up. They look a bit chilly.
Oh, there they are. That's enough of animals. Now let's go to the other place where there's slides and stuff.
Should I stop
up it?
Okay.
Okay. Go on, go.
Bye. That was. I'm scared to do it again, but I can do it. That was me going down the deep blue side. I am not going down that red one. I am tall. I'm not going down that. I want to go down the blue one again, but it's just hard to because it's also really steep. Not as steep as the red one. I'm getting up here. Okay. I'll throw you up. Hi. Welcome to my vlog. It's hard to do this with socks on. I'll get you. Let's go over here. Okay. What are these? Whoa. Yeah, that one. Oh, that's. Yeah, whoa. So I'm just gonna run now. Slow motion.
Bonnie!
I've lost it! Found my phone! I got stuck in there for a bit. I'm going down again. I've already been down 6 times. 6th one was the one you just saw. So, I think I counted right. 5, I think. I'm gonna go up these stairs super quickly. Going just around this corner. It's not a corner. The slide. Wait, where'd that one come from? Okay, I'm going down. I'm gonna go down. Things flying! Run! That scared me. I went down again. I'm going again. I'll be here. 8 times. Then another time after that. No, maybe not. Time to get over. Too many faces not to show. Okay, I'm up right by the slide now. No, it's just around here. This side.
Yeah, you did. I saw you showed me those yesterday. Give me a smile. Go.
I just lost my phone. Now I'm gonna get lost.